In this video, I will show you how to download and install the FLauncher app or FLauncher app to your Android TV even without using Google Play Store application. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV, go over to your Google browser. As long as you don't have a Google Play Store, there is no issue. Just go over to your browser and search for the application which is FLauncher. So just search for the option that says FLauncher download. It is going to work. So as you search, this is what you're going to get. As you can see, here is the application here, FLauncher or FLauncher, whatever you pronounce it. And you can look for other third-party site, but let's try the first option here. Now, once you click on the application, here's what is going to happen. They say what your device is not compatible with this version. So my device is an Android TV. Well, apparently my device is not compatible with the application for whatever reason. But I don't know about your own Android TV. So what you can do, just try it out the same process like I've showed here on your own Android TV, and then you see if it is compatible with your TV. If it is compatible, then just go ahead and click on install and download the application to your Android TV without any problem as long as it's compatible. But if it's not, then you'll be facing the same problem with me. In that case, we can use third-party sites, even though I don't 100% recommend them, but they come in handy, especially when the Google Play Store option doesn't work. You can use third-party sites to still download and install the application without any issues. So that's it about this video. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.